Hi! Within this lecture, we're going to discuss how to stay safe against these beef attacks on external networks. So we have seen that hackers can easily manipulate websites into hooking us and running commands on our browsers. So best way to stay away from this is to stay away from the websites that we don't trust, that we don't know. So if some fishy guy sends you a website stating that, hello, come and play my game, then don't do it. Even if you do it, you can see the source code. Remember, you have to go to develop and say show source code. Of course, this is different on Firefox and other browsers as well, but in all browsers you can see the source code, HTML source code, okay? If you scroll down, you will see this has this hook.js thing. Of course, they can even change the name of this like hook.js, but you can click on these files to see the content of them as well. So if you don't want to deal with this kind of stuff, I believe the best way to avoid this problem, best way to stay safe, is to stay away from these unknown, untrusted websites. I would suggest go into this hook.js file and try to get yourself familiarized with this hook.js content. So later on, if you see something like this, you would know that someone is trying to hook you into the beef framework. But if you don't know JavaScript, or if you don't know any programming at all, then this is fine as well. Maybe you can try to understand the content of it after you finish this course, because we're going to learn how to write codes in Python in the following sections. Then it would make much more sense to you when you finish this course. And of course, remember, you can change the settings of your browser not to run JavaScript at any time, but this will distort your view, this will distort the performance of the websites. You cannot use the websites properly, you cannot see the websites properly if you do that. So most of the people do not prefer this way. So if you're not going to do that, then just don't go into the untrusted websites. And again, if you're browsing dark web, this is the reason why you should turn off JavaScript other than HTTPS sites. So we're going to stop here right now, and within the next section, we're going to discuss what to do after we hack in a system. Right now, you don't know what to do even if you have a meter-preter session with your target, and we're going to learn that in the following section.